The HYPHEN 2. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the HYPHEN 2 by Rolling Square. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, USB-C charging cable, and an assortment of ear tips. The HYPHEN 2 features 9 hours of listening time, 36 hours with the case. 15 minutes of charge will give you 6 hours. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, aptX codec, gyroscopic sensor, touch controls, USB-C and wireless charging, and it's IP55 dust and water resistant. There are also 3 colors to choose from. The case is fairly small and light. It has a matte finish all around with a rubber, grippy feel to it. On the top, you have the HYPHEN branding. On the front of the case, you have the status LED lights. And on the back, you'll find the USB-C charge port. This also has a gyroscopic sensor, so tap on the side and it will activate the LED light to give you the battery status. The lid opens and closes smoothly, and the earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case. The case has wireless charging, and you can see it here activate on the charger. The earbuds have a simple stem design and it's slim. It has a matte finish just like the case, and on the outer face you have the surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have microphones, interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, touch control, and LED. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are easy to navigate, a few taps to get the desired functions. The case comes in at 2.2 by 1.9 inches by 1. It weighs in at 48 grams and the earbuds come in at 8 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Hello emotions, hello again. As every ocean come as rain. I know my circles, I know my name. Another sequel is on the way. Oh.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the HYPHEN 2 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone was decent and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the HYPHEN 2. They were comfortable and easy to put on, but you do have to take the time to find the right pair of ear tips so it will form a good seal. They were light and at times you don't even feel like you have them on. Touch controls are a plus as it doesn't add additional pressure in the ear canals. Build and quality is fair. Simple case design along with the earbuds. They feel durable and I like that there are color options. I found the touch controls to be overly sensitive. Adjusting the earbuds can trigger the controls. Battery life is respectable, coming in at 9 hours and 36 total with the case. I like the fact that it has wireless charging and uses USB-C. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it comes in deep and punchy. It doesn't sound too boosted and definitely not lacking at all. Mids and highs come in clear, but I would have wished that there was a bit more separation and depth. It was a pleasant listening experience. Overall, I feel that they're an okay pair, and I expected a bit more from the overall sounds. It does come in at a very competitive price point. So that is my review of the HYPHEN 2 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.